it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 52 degrees. The dew point was 41, giving a relative humidity of 66%. The wind was north at 13 miles an hour. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXJ-22's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in north-central South Carolina: Chesterfield, Clarendon, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Kershaw, Lee, Marion, Marlborough, Sumter, and Williamsburg. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. In Florence, it was mostly sunny.